Alright, what's going on, guys? We are Corbett Gaming, and welcome to our first video, I guess. So, I'm making a one, and I'm here with...
Your General Matt.
And... Yep. I'm not sure... We're doing, yeah, careful. We're doing the diamond story, we're playing from Payday. Oh, security room isn't here, by the way.
Yeah.
Oh, I see.
Alright, we're playing Payday 2, and... okay, got it. And we're playing the diamond store heist. It's not that hard. I think we'll manage to do it.
Why did you shot him?
Because I like.
So we have to worry about
Because-
cameras right now.
That's
We need to cable ties for the guys inside.
Yeah.
I need help, guys. Fast.
Yeah.
There's a guard
Here.
and he'll know this. And there's someone watching. Kill him and be careful, camera.
I go outside. I'm going outside.
Alright, I'll just... Yeah. Drop. Someone saw you. Nice. I'll remove it, okay.
It's
Alright,
the
not
woman.
sure where's the silver room.
Got the key card.
There's
Got
me.
the key card.
Nice. Where's the alarm thingy?
I don't.
Oh,
Someone saw
Oh,
here's the alarm, here's the alarm, here's the alarm. And...
oh. You got spotted. You got spotted.
Yeah, somewhere. Got it.
Yeah, I will answer. I will answer.
Sorry lads.
Wait,
I thought
I
I saw a
answered,
rat.
I'm bouncing.
I don't like rats. They.
Mimi, did you find the alarm?
Yeah, I'll show you where it is. Just a minute. Oh man, it's here. Come here. It's me. I think it's yeah. Come, Matt. Inside this room. Quick. Matt, come over here already. What the?
I'm here.
It's here. You need a key card.
Okay,
See?
I did it.
Did you? Okay, did you do it? Nice. So I'll ECM and then we'll rush. Okay? I ECM rush.
There's the
Yes,
server.
okay.
Where's the server?
It's in the main hall.
Okay, never mind. I'll just
Okay, someone saw you.
the guard. That's a third one, right? I need help.
Yeah, I think.
No problems. Does anything exciting ever happen here at all?
Okay, careful. We've been good. But where is
Right then.
the security room? I don't see the security.
No, never mind. Yeah, it's not here.
We don't need it, we don't
Probably
need it.
because of that.
Yeah. You can see ACM rush. Okay.
Probably because of that wish. Come in. I'll just ECM and then we rush in, okay? Alarm
Yeah,
disabled.
Okay.
Just don't break anything because there's a
No,
lot.
alarm is disabled.
Rush. We rush.
Get on the ground! Get on the ground. This is the cameras.
Good.
Destroy
Don't
cameras.
get up.
Everybody,
Stay
stay
down.
down. Stay down, people.
Down.
Nobody move.
I think that's all.
As many as you can hypnotize them, you rest.
Stay low.
What part of don't move? Don't
I don't
move,
care
man.
anything.
Move it.
One's behind. Someone should go behind.
Oh, okay, I'll go. Okay, here's one more. Here's one.
Okay, there's some guys outside.
Let's kill them. Kill them all!
Keep your head down.
We
and
didn't
your neck
call
in
them
the
to
soil,
come
and
here,
you'll be
right?
fine. On
So
the
we have
ground.
to, we can kill her. Kill her.
Yeah, we can kill him.
They're not cold.
Good time.
So we killed 3 guards, right?
Stay where you are.
By the way, maximum is 4. Let's go. And boom. Okay. That's the 4th one. So we don't have
The
to,
maximum is 4.
Yeah, but we don't have to worry about cameras.
Fucking bored
Um,
as usual, you know.
Yeah, so like
As you do.
welcome to the channel.
Control.
Well, I don't know what to say. You know.
Yeah.
We appreciate your support, and we'll hope that you will subscribe. Yes. If you like our content,
Stay where you are.
there will be a variety of different games. We decided to start with the Payday because it's fun and it's,
And we
you
all
fucking get to rob a jewelry store, right? I mean, yeah,
Yep.
that's fucking cool.
Stay down and
channel to rob the store.
everybody
Yeah.
stay down.
That's cool stuff.
How you start a YouTube channel?
Fine, that's good. Thanks. That's the spirit.
Yep.
Don't move.
Okay, everybody. So there should be a safe over here.
Nobody move.
Yeah, there we go.
Yeah.
You can drill it.
Up in the room.
Stay down.
Alright, 160 seconds. We should try to go and start getting the money to the van.
What? What did we?
Guys, you missed all the what's it called?
You transport the jewelry.
Stay low.
You missed
Yeah,
all the
just start the movie.
make sure it's
What?
working.
Stay down.
Let's fire them.
Okay, I think we got everything now. We should.
Yeah, Mads, there's an ATM.
There's-
Open it.
There's a store on the left side.
Yeah.
Or on
and
the right
there's
side.
Yeah, I know, I know. You
Okay.
You
run,
can
so I think
drill
Sorry about that.
safe.
Oh man. Did you someone go fix the truck, please?
This time.
Okay, who the fuck saw you?
Out, man.
This guy at the store. No worries.
Problem. Yeah.
Yeah, guys, we'll try to do the daily. We'll try to do daily uploads.
Yeah.
Yeah,
No, no.
because we're on summer break.
Yeah, and we'll have a schedule. It'll probably be I mean, apart from that, from this video and like this weekend, we're opening a channel when we don't really mind this. I mean, we don't really upload to the schedule. But we plan to do Mondays. That will be Dead by Daylight, probably. That will be done by Max and maybe later me. Then Tuesday will be. I'm not sure. Tuesday will probably be.
Maybe.
Nah, let's just go. Okay. Now Wednesday it will be. Then wait, you missed some loot here, man. And bad ways. Wednesday will probably be payday. Then Thursdays it will probably be Rocket League, and Wednesdays it'll probably
Minecraft.
be Minecraft. Yeah, some mods, survival and stuff. I hope you like it, and the best thing is you get to choose what games should we play and what should we leave out, I guess. Because if you don't like something, you can just tell us and then we'll swap a game, play
You
something
just
else.
tell us in the comments down below and we'll.
Yeah.
I'll do the drill.
If you played close attention to our instructions, you should be set to watch some top
Yeah.
quality content this stream.
Yeah.
I hope you like it. Though.
Top quality shit, yeah.
Yeah, I hope you like it. That's it then. Alright, this was pretty easy. We might do another one, shall we?
Yeah.
Yeah, let's do a bank heist.
Do a restore or something like this. If you do. The short one.
Okay. We're about to finish this heist.
Yeah, I'll fix it. Drill. This drill is about done. It's about to be done.
I look the other drill up here.
Yeah, the other drill is broken again.
Yeah. I'll look this one.
Are you kidding me? The drill is broke.
Yeah,
Oh,
once
I
again.
thought the drill in the car shop was broke.
No,
Okay.
I just repaired it. It would be silly
I know.
if it was actually broken. So
It's
yeah, so we appreciate your support, and
Yeah.
a lot.
we have a Facebook profile where you can send us PMs and messages, and
Yep.
we'll be happy to answer you.
Someone will answer it as soon as he sort it.
Wait, it's broken again. What?
What?
Uh,
What is broken?
The drill is
drill.
broken again.
I know. It sucks, man. You have bad drills.
okay,
Yeah.
I'm stuck.
Alright, 1 minute left. Wait, the car shop drill is broken. Well,
Yeah, I'm doing the car shop one.
alright, thanks. So 60 seconds and we should be fine. How much is there left on the car shop drill?
40.
40 seconds, nice.
Yeah, that would be fast. Let me body bag this.
Let's just hope it doesn't get broken again.
It's one of the flat. Of that.
And yeah, I didn't finish the schedule actually. Saturdays there will be someone's be careful. I'm rolling
Oh,
the heist
shit.
now.
Run, 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 run.
Got
Okay,
him.
she was. Okay, I can believe she was there all time.
Um,
And
yeah. And Saturday there will be funny compilation from the whole week. Starting next Saturday because I'll probably upload it on a Saturday. Upload this video.
Yeah.
Okay, we
And
can.
alright, the safe is open and we have the money. The money is. I got the money. No money for you. I can spank you with the money. I can spank you with the money. Spank you with the money.
I'll destroy this place. I'll destroy this
Spank you. Alright.
Don't spec him with the money. I am cutting the computers and stuff
Alright.
because
So,
that's what we do. We are
and then
criminals.
Wednesdays there will probably be some. No, not Wednesdays. Wrong. Sundays there will probably be some like vlogs or something like that, like Q&As and stuff. We're looking into that, so I hope you'll enjoy it. I hope you'll enjoy it. Right,
We're
guys,
like
we're done.
we are explaining this schedule at the next episode. Okay, this is just messed up. This guy doesn't know what he's talking about. Okay, just don't listen to that.
I get lost. I get lost pretty hard. Alright guys,
This is just intro clip. This is just the intro video. So
could you just fucking exit? Thank you.
let's go. We're done here.
Bad boys, come on. Thank you. Jeez, Matt, where you at?
I'm
Matt,
here.
are you fucking twat? Come on.
Why?
Matt,
You're
come
mad.
on.
Matt.
Matt, don't
What?
make me spank you with my money.
Okay, bye.
I knew.
We celebrate, boys.
Now we say, yeah, there we go. We
I
got
killed
Why do they make like porn sounds when they like get into the van?
Sure.
Every time we get into the van, they like scream. Rah!
It's fun.
Yes.
Alright, should we do the bank heist now?
Yeah.
Let's do jewelry. It's a little bit shorter.
Nah, it's boring.
We'll pause the video and we will be right back.
Yeah, we'll be
pause
back
the video
in 1
now.
second. And we're back. We got over. Now, the jewelry stores are easy. We got some serious shit right now. Oh, it's a good spawn as well. Nice. We got a harvester leather band, which has a vault.
No shit,
which has
Sherlock.
goodies. Which has goodies.
No
Shut
shit,
up, man.
Sherlock.
No one asked. You are the fan.
Let's do this, buddies.
Oh shit, Sherlock.
Bad boys, can you just pick a lock there and tell us if we're fucked or not? Okay. Thank you.
Yeah. I'll try not to. I can't promise anything.
And just tell us if we are
I think
fucked or not.
in this game, you know that.
Fucking hell, let's go.
Okay, this
Be careful.
what?
No, go back, go back.
Are you crazy? Are you crazy?
Just spin back, there's a camera, we can't do anything. Wait, is that a manager? There's a
No,
guard.
that's a guard.
Should we just kill him?
We can. Are you crazy?
Why? Camera can't see
Came
this
out
far.
here to think about Bowie.
Well, a guard can, so please, guard, please don't come. I pray.
It's all fine.
Okay, good. I messed up.
I'm here watching the
Alright,
guard.
I'm back in the corpse and let's go. Bad boys, are we fucked or not?
We're good.
Bad boys,
What?
are we fucked or not? Is there a security room there or not?
Yeah, there is one.
Alright, nice. Good stuffs. Alright, just pick a lock. Not
There
sure
is-
where
Wait,
to-
I need this guard
Yeah,
needs to
coming,
pass.
coming.
Then I get the key card.
Alright.
No, don't go, don't wait,
No,
don't
I'm
wait.
just speaking. I'm just speaking.
Wait,
Yeah.
where is the bag? Oh, I didn't take the bag. Oh, good.
Oh, look, there.
Okay, go.
Alright, go to the
Come
security
here.
room. Go to the security room.
Go to the security room.
Quick. Someone saw you.
Yeah, these guys.
Yeah, we'll deal about that. We'll deal with them later.
Yeah.
Alright, we'll just there. So two guards left.
Yep. Someone needs to come with me. Last time we did this, 2 guards came in.
Okay,
Came in here.
I am there. I'm gonna come there.
Be careful, guard.
Oh, no. Yeah.
Alright,
Let me-
got him. I got him.
I just wanted to check if you guys wanted anything from the store. I was thinking of running down cigarettes, milk, anything.
Alright, 2 guards left.
Maybe we should go and kill the guys that are working here.
Huh? Yeah, sure.
How many
bad
pages
boys,
have
bad
we
boys.
left?
Just be careful that no one presses the don't panic button over here, right? Okay.
How many pages did we answer by now?
We answered 2 pages, so there should be 2 cards left. That's easy peasy.
Okay, there's a guard here.
Alright, so let him pass and then we can go. And there's a manager in front, just so you know.
Yeah, but we don't need manager anymore.
So
Here's
there are 2
two
Okay,
guys
there's
guards
the
left.
manager.
There are 2 guys left overall.
Yeah. I'm gonna be on this side towards the panic button. You go kill those.
Okay, we can
Okay, so
go
we can
pretty
now.
much.
Yeah, we can go now. I'll just check this side. Our manager went by and I'm killing it. Can I kill him? Can I kill him? Can I kill him?
Oh, okay.
Mats. I'm putting on the ECM and I'm killing him, okay? ECM just
Kill everyone.
Nice.
Okay, nice.
Alright,
Kill
so
this.
remember the guard positions.
Nice.
Where's the other guard?
Here, I killed him. Here,
Yeah, nice.
he's here.
So we just. Alright, I'm putting the other ECM just in case. Wait, no.
Yeah.
Get fucking down!
Alright, we just need to get to the guards quick because we need to answer the pages.
What?
Get to the 2 guards.
I'll take this guy.
Wait, guys, wait.
Wait, where's the other pager? Where's the other guard?
Where are the guards?
One's here. I got him.
Guys,
Quick, go to the other guard.
I'm with this guy.
Alright,
My
nice.
fault. I tried to
Man,
make
check if there are other guards, but I think we got it.
Okay, we got this. I'm
Now
going
that's
to get
how
the
we're
drill.
doing. Great job, guys. We're very
Yeah.
professional stuff going on.
Yeah.
Professional
And like how,
MLG pros
I like
that
how
wish.
these 2 people are just standing there like
Cable tie
oh,
those two.
Yeah, okay. Like how they are just nothing happened.
Get down!
I killed that piece.
Go down.
Just cool down. And there, oh my god, there's a guy there.
Go fast. I'll jump through the roof.
Make love to the fucking ground, man!
No, don't kill him. Don't kill him.
Yeah, I hit cable tie.
Down.
Yeah, I have 3 cable ties. 3.
Place the drill.
No, you go place the drill.
What?
You go place the drill. I'm gonna take this guy inside.
Okay, give me the drill.
Well, it's
Come
Where-
on.
Where's the
very
freaking
professional,
drill?
Very professional. Right?
I'm going to the drill, dude.
Here it is. Alright.
I'm gonna place it. Give me the drill.
Drill is outside.
Give me the drill. I have an automatic. I have a skill point
Okay.
that's automatically like
Here.
Good job. Now
Fixes it.
I'll just cut the video.
upgrade it, Mimi. Mimi, come and upgrade it.
Come here. These 2 bankomats. You can take the money.
ATMs, okay. I'll just cut the video here because this is just the boring part.
Yeah, sure.
And guys, there are two guys that are.
I'm killing this one.
Okay. I'm gonna go for this one.
How did these guys so? You know where he is?
No, he heard the drill. Alright, so. Alright, I'll just cut the video here and then I'll be back in 215 seconds. And just open them up and.
I am doing something, but I don't know what.
Mats.
That's nice.
Okay, I need ammo things.
You need them already.
What?
You need them already.
Yeah,
You're a bit late.
I am.
Just there is this one left, the bottom right corner. Nice. Alright. That's a lot of money in the ATMs. Alright, I'll cut the video here and I'll be back. Alright.
I think I fucked up.
Alright, we're back again and
we're in the
get
wall.
money. Right.
No,
Oh my god. That's why we have the keys. Gotta try them all. Why am I thinking? Why am I singing the Pokemon song?
Man, I killed. One more.
Alright.
Maybe this one is lucky one, dude.
Yeah. So.
This one is the one I feel it.
Yeah.
Oh,
Money. Alright.
Money.
Monies. Alright, let's go.
I'll go.
That boys. Come help me transport it to the van.
I was already.
Yeah.
but I can't run.
Ready? Come on. No, nobody should see us. Shh. Sneaky, sneaky. Shh. Sneaky. Yeah, we sneaky. We ninja turtles. We ninja turtles.
Dude, that's 12 shooting. Need to be quiet.
Okay, we got the monies. Bank easy.
I am
peasy.
opening the things here.
Yeah, just do two quick clicks and
Guys. Should we invade the Alesso the concert, aka Alesso heist, or should we invade casino, aka the Golden Ring Casino?
Should you shut the fuck up or no?
Yeah,
No,
yeah, I think
Jesus
that's.
Christ.
Oh, I think that's the best idea, dude. Shut up.
It's a good idea.
I have
Shut up and play.
I have plans for the future, guys. But
Or shut up and play, or I'll quack you up.
don't quack me out. Quack me up, you stupid.
Money.
Alright, I think that's all the money.
Okay, let me put
Man,
on the
come on,
count.
just you have to finish now. This is the boring part as well.
Yep, it's a pretty boring part.
Man,
What-
no, just don't waste the drill like that. You just
I
two
found-
three times.
I found it.
Wait,
going up.
is there one on the roof?
Yeah. Yeah,
Let me take it. No, for the camera. Stupid.
What are you talking about?
you don't deserve pick a gift.
You
Oh,
don't
I
deserve it.
I gotta find them. All hot. Pokemon references all over the place. Because
Oh yeah,
new game.
we're gonna play
Yeah,
Pokemon Go.
No, we don't play Pokemon Go. That's for hoolies. Just kidding. Pokemon Go is the best game. Pokemon Go is life. Pokemon Go is love.
Pokemon, yeah, I agree. Pokemon Go is life.
No, we get to go outside. What the fuck? Who
Yeah.
goes outside? Just kidding. We go outside. We're gonna film a vlog in our town soon.
You should get that back to the van, you know.
What? Oh yeah.
Bad boy.
No,
Bad
he's a
boy.
bad boy. I'm coming. I'm a good
Yeah,
boy.
he's a bad boy.
Sneaky.
He's being a pretty bad boy.
Yeah, I was typing. I forgot about the game. I'm sorry. I'll take the gold. Problem there.
Param. Yeah, tell us which game should we play and tell us about our Minecraft future. Because we have no fucking clue what to play next.
You missed like a lot. Just a small amount of a
What
lot.
did you say about my socks? What did you say about my socks? I'll where
They're
are
ugly
you?
and smelly.
I'll catch you with my cards.
I'll take the hostages to the van.
I'm at least fate.
Where is the van? Oh. What you
I'm
do?
gonna.
Don't shoot! Don't shoot! Don't shoot him as we.
Alright, I'll help you there.
Oh my god.
I'll pick it up for you.
I need more ammo bag. No, I need more ammo bag. Unless
You're out of ammo bags.
need more ammo bags or oh no, I have one more, but
You-
more ammo bags or we need to pick them locks.
I think
I would rather go away with less money than pick a lock. So
No, I'll pick a lock. Good.
Come with me.
Come on.
you get a flash. You get flash.
On
Come
go.
on, hell.
This one. This guy is.
Come with me.
Come with me. Move it. Down.
Here, dude.
Get down.
What part of don't move? Don't you understand, man?
The thing is, the most of them don't have anything in them, so yeah,
I
pretty
love
much
this-
wasting them.
I love this Jimmy guy.
Come on.
What part of done? Move that. Okay, sorry.
Are you kidding me?
I don't mean to believe. I don't
This
mean to
one
believe.
won't open. Yeah, and I just wasted all my freaking ammo.
Can you let bad boys have the drill next time, please?
Yeah.
What?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I agree because I'm out of ammo.
He's never out of ammo.
Come with me.
Never.
Come on.
We have 2 ammo bags. How did you run out of ammo bags? What the other words?
Let them piss their
Oh, I know. Dude, you opened only one side. What the? Just stop, guys, dude. Don't. Oh.
My goodness. Mats, you have enough
Yep.
ammo for the whole thing.
One more. I have one more stock.
Let's try. Let's go.
Don't waste your ammo.
Probably not enough ammo for all of them.
Give me
Get the
back.
fuck out. Go there.
Okay, Mats, if you say so.
I'm picking the lock. And I found.
Don't make me cut out.
Oh,
my
yep.
porch.
No, out of ammo.
Yeah, you know.
Let's just go. Let's just go. We got enough money anyways.
Need to pick a lock. This one.
This bank was lucky.
I
No,
feel
just calm, guys. What? No, don't pick.
Oh.
No.
No, we need to pick the locks.
No, Jesus.
We need to pick the locks.
Yeah, we need money. We are poor.
We need the money.
Matt,
You're
can you
poor.
just go and like no.
We can't go in like I don't know.
Yep, we can't go and like. I don't
Yeah,
know.
9,000.
Who is placing the
No,
ECM
the
cameras?
police. Run, that's police. That's
Oh
the-
yeah, that's police, right? That's the
police.
popo.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, I'm running.
Yeah, run, that's the police. Here comes another car. Are you ready? There's another popo car.
Yeah,
Here
I'm
to
running.
Just run away.
I'm not
Come on.
gonna
Let me
pick
pick the locks. Fucking bastard.
Why are we doing this? Come on, man.
up.
Matt, come on. We're sick of it. Police will come anyways. Come on.
I'm,
Matt, if
I'm,
we lose this because of you, Matt,
money.
I'll support
No.
your ass.
No, I'm picking the locks.
Yeah, I think I'm
No, should we kick him?
Bad boy.
Let's kick him. Bad boy.
coming.
Bad boys, let's kick him.
Bad boy, come here.
I'll kick
Come
you
help
both,
me
I
pick
swear.
the locks.
I'll
Yeah,
kick
you
you.
can't.
I'll
You
kick
can't.
I'll kick you both.
You can't kick us because you can't win the heist without us.
Are you
Yeah,
sure?
he can. Fuck.
Because we are the popo.
I will alert the popo. I'm just trying to find the hostage.
I will call the 911.
Yeah, call
I'll
now,
call you.
call.
I'll call your mama.
I'm trying to find a hostage so I can ruin it. Yeah. Ha, I'm evil. Just kidding.
We'll spot your ass.
Alright, I'll just help people along.
Tell your mama about what. How do you
Can
feel
beat them.
I'll have
Can
to.
be.
I'll just have to cut the video. Alright, see you.
2,000 years later.
Did you guys really have to do this? Here, take my money. Take my money. Just
Yeah.
take it. Take. Don't even bother. Here.
Yep.
Yeah.
Alright,
Yeah.
be quick. I'll just wait you at the van, okay?
Okay.
Don't
fair enough.
don't you be late.
Okay. Dude. Come. Dude. Butt sex.
Hey, dude,
Oh yeah.
What did I say to you?
mates. I have
Oh.
boy.
What?
Wait.
Wait. Just wait a second. Wait here.
Yeah.
Wait here.
Mates, do something.
Wait.
Do something.
I will swat you.
Alright. Applause attack. Let's just go.
What the?
Thank you. Jesus Christ, come on.
No,
And we
wait,
did
don't wait. What's up, dude?
Hey, dude, what's up?
I'll kick you. I swear I'll kick you. You won't get it. You won't get any money.
Oh, Arwen is injured. We need to heal him. I don't know. We need to repair it.
Just come
We
here.
need to
Okay.
repair.
For the love of
Money, I want
Jesus, please.
money. I don't want to take it. I want my money.
I want.
Thank you. And we succeeded in the heist.
Yeah,
GG guys.
What the
because we're pros.
Yeah. Alright. Thanks for this episode. We will look forward to upload in the future. So
Yeah,
hope
we
it will be
will.
daily upload.
Yeah, we will tell you the schedule in the next video.
Yeah, probably.
And it
Probably.
It will be in the description too.
Yeah, you can check out our Facebook, add us there and just send us some messages if you want. And look at all the sweet XP. Damn, almost 300,000 XP.
I might level up, or
I leveled up.
I level up as well.
I need like one.
Alright, thank you for watching. Peace.
Yeah.